Hello guys, this is Sandra here. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. It's lovely to have you here and I hope you're gonna enjoy your stay. So today we're gonna go through my nail polish collection, and the main reason for it is, one, I haven't done it in a while and I think it's a bit overdue, but also two, we're moving in, well, when I film this in about 2 months time, but I'm trying to pre-film quite a bit of content, so I'm not sure when exactly this goes up, but we're moving from our current location in the end of September. So I just want to, downsize everything and not necessarily carry around clutter that I don't necessarily use. And that's the main reason behind it. So without further blabbering, we're just gonna hop on to the nail polish collection. I hope you enjoy. Alright, so this is all what we are dealing with. And what I want to do is just condense the collection. So it's not gonna be a super savage declutter. I just want to streamline what I have, and I want to fit all of this into this one container. So let's get everything out and then we can see what we're dealing with. Okay, so when you look at it like this, it seems a bit daunting, but I know we can make sense of it. And what I want to do is basically I'm gonna throw some of these straight away. The rest I think I'm gonna keep in a separate drawer for now so I can use it till we move, because there's still 2 months time, and then I'm gonna just get rid of them. And the rest obviously can move with me, and that's where I want to put them in this little case. Well, it's a GHD holder, but it's perfect for holding nail polishes in there. So we're gonna go with that. And obviously one thing I'm gonna keep is this nail polish remover. This is just from Sainsbury's, and honestly they do the job perfectly fine. I have a smaller one as well, and I thought of pouring this one into the smaller one, but this is more than twice the size, so there's no point because I know I'm not going to be able to use it up. So this has about one more use left in it, so I'm going to use this up before we move, and then this one can come with me. And obviously this will take up quite a bit of space in there, but that's okay. Then let's move on to the other things first. I'm going to just put it out of frame for now, and I'm going to show you at the end what we end up with. So I'm going to speed you through the rest of it so it's not too boring. These gemstones I kept along with these stickers because they're really cute for a bit of extra something. Now these brushes, I just got rid of them because they are quite pointless apart from one fan brush, which is quite good to brush away any glitter if I decide to use it. These dotting tools I love, so I kept them there in a handy pouch. And then these stickers, I could not decide what to do with them, so we're gonna circle back to these later. Now for nail polishes, I'm gonna get first out the few that for sure I'm gonna get rid of. One of them is this nail polish from Rimmel. This, I think a little while ago I put some nail polish remover in there to revive it, and now I need at least 3 to 4 layers for this to be able to work, and it's just too much work for the color, especially when I have 2 other ones, one from Ciate and one from Barium. So this is one of the few that I'm actually gonna throw away straight away. Another one I'm gonna throw away because I don't enjoy using it. I force myself to do so, but I never use it, and I cannot see it at the moment. This one. This is from Barium, and this is an Effect nail polish. It's a baby pink color, and I love the color, but the texture of it just really annoys me. And if you can see it, oopsie, sorry. This I use quite a lot, so I don't mind throwing this away. This is gonna go now. Another one I'm gonna throw away because I cannot open it and it's too much work is this one. I think I got this in Poundland about 3 to 4 years ago. Like, nail polish is not something I purchase often anymore. But this one, I can't open it. 2, it was so much work to get the hearts on the nails, and half of the time I just cannot be bothered. So this I'm gonna get rid of. Now the rest will be a bit harder to decide, so let me get a few tools here that I'm gonna keep. Obviously there's a nail file. This is from Model's Own, and also what happened to them? I don't know, but I'm gonna keep the nail file. My camera has a hard time focusing on these, but these are 2 little tools for my cuticles, so I'm gonna keep those 2 as well. And on the side, I only have one of these clean at the moment, but these are some reusable cotton pads, and I have a few of these. They are all different colors, and the blue ones are the ones that I use for my nails. I have, I think, 3 more, but those at the moment are dirty, so I only have 1, but those will live in here as well. And I think that's all the tools basically done. Now, 2 more things I'm gonna keep is cuticle oils. I have this one from Avon. This one I will keep with my project pen items because there's barely anything left in there, so I will try to use this up before we move. And there's a really old one as well from Essie, but again, this one I had for so long, but it still feels like it hydrates my cuticles, so this one will come with me. It looks a bit worse for wear and grubby, but you know, it does the job, so this will come with us as well. Another thing I will keep for sure is this top coat. This one is from Revolution and it's called Speed and Shine. This is the only top coat I have at the moment, so this one I'm definitely keeping. Another definite one is this white nail polish, and this is the Jelly nail polish from Variam. It's really good. This is a repurchase. I had this before. I love it either by itself or even under like a brighter nail polish. It will make it so much brighter, so this one will definitely come with us. And then let me just quickly arrange it by color and then we can go from there, because this is where it gets a bit more tricky. Alright, so now it's a bit easier for you and me to see what we're exactly working with. Purple, I only have this one at the moment from Model's Own. This is in the shade Lilac Dream. Again, what happened to Model's Own, I don't know, but I'm gonna keep this because this is my only purple at the moment, so that can stay. Now, when it comes to pinks, let's go to the pinks. This glitter, you know, when you look at it, it looks beautiful. Let me zoom you in. Look at it, it looks beautiful in there, but when I put it on the nails, it's just really bitty, and then as soon as I put a nail polish over it, like a clear top coat, it goes matte, which is really strange. I don't know why it does that, but I just don't reach for it for that reason, because it doesn't say shiny, and then otherwise it really irritates me. So this one I'm gonna throw in the bin as well. This goes in the pile that I'm gonna use till we move, but then I'm not gonna actually take it with us after that. So I'm gonna put it on the side, use it till we move, and then get rid of it. I will show you the ones, don't worry, at the end, which are in that group anyway. Now, this top coat is not my favorite, but this is the only top coat at the moment that I have that can give a bit of a different look to my nails. I mean, I have some glittery ones, but this is the only one that's not glittery, so I think I'm gonna keep it for now. We will see how much space we actually have in my little thing, but this is from Variam. It's quite old. This is called Marshmallow, and that name fits it pretty well, so I'm gonna keep that for now. This one is from Primark and I had it for a long time, but it's not my favorite. It takes ages to dry. The color of it is beautiful though. It's this like peachy color with gold shimmers running through it, but again, it's not my favorite, so I'm gonna use it till we move, but then I'm gonna say goodbye to it. And then this is the only orange nail polish I own at the moment. Again, this is from P2, so I'm gonna keep this for now because I don't have any other oranges at the moment. Moving on to the slightly brighter pinks, I'm gonna keep all 3 of them. This one is from Essence. It's just a really nice baby pink for days when I don't want white, but I still want it to be nice and neutral. This one is perfect for those hot summer days. This is from W7. And then this is one of my newest nail polishes. I bought it last summer and it's from Catrice and it's the Galactic Glow. That's what I have on my nails at the moment, on top of the Primark one. So I really love this. It's like half gone at this point, but it's so nice. And there's a bluey purpley counterpart of that as well from, again, Catrice. Same brand, same collection, just a different color. I'm keeping this one as well, definitely. I feel like I need to get rid of some things. With reds, let's move on to reds because I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna keep this one. This is from Lovely and it's a red with some glitter running through it. I usually use it around Christmas time. But yes, this one is the one I usually use around Christmas time, so I'm definitely keeping it. Then I have an orangey red from Ciate, which I'm gonna keep. But then I have this orangey red from Nails Inc. that was in collaboration with InStyle. this doesn't have too much left in it, so I'm gonna just use it till we move and then get rid of it, because I still have the other one to keep me going basically. So let's move on to these ones, because I know that these I can get rid of. So this one is again a Nails ink together with Kate Spade. I'm pretty sure this was in a magazine as well, and it's a silver nail polish. Now you would think I use it a lot because there's barely any left in there, but I think I use it for like other little projects I had on the side, or if I wanted to do a more fun nail maybe. But silver is not a color I wear often, whether it's jewelry or makeup. It's just too cool toned. And then there's this gold one as well. This is from Astor. This is super old. I think this is at least like 6 years old maybe, I don't know. Again, I will see if I want to do a fun look with this before we move, but apart from that, I'm not too attached to it, so this can go after that. This one, I think I'm gonna keep it for now, just in case I'm in the mood sometimes. This is from Model's Own, and this is a rose gold nail polish. I don't use it too often, so we'll see how much space I have in there, but this might have to go. But for now, this is the only nail polish that is more in this goldy kind of realm, so we'll keep it for now. But we are really running out of space, so we'll see how that works. Let's move on. What we're gonna move on to next? I think let's move on to these ones. The one I keep for sure is this one from Kiko. This is such a beautiful color. This is a beautiful chocolatey color, but in some lights it's a bit more burgundy. It has a bit of shine to it. The formula is amazing. The brush is really nice. So this is definitely one I'm not getting rid of. It's such a lovely color, and I think I've been sleeping on Kiko nail polishes for some reason. I mean, I don't really need more, but this is really nice, and I would love to try more that's similar from them. It's an amazing formula. Definitely keeping it. This one from Catrice I'm keeping as well. This is a bit more of a mauvey, dusky kind of color. I quite love it in the autumn time when I want something a bit more nudie, but something that's a bit darker, so this is a definite keep as well. This is from last summer as well, so it's one of the newest ones in my collection. And then with these two, I think I'm gonna keep the Max Factor one for now, just because this is a bit more of an autumny color, and I feel like the Berry M one is a bit more summery, so I'm gonna keep it in this pile of things that I'm gonna declutter before the move. Maybe if I have enough space I will take it with me. We will see. Another one I can use till the move and then get rid of it is this one. This is from Essence, and this says show your feet, so I think originally this was made to use on your feet. I had this for at least 6 years, I'm not gonna lie. It still works. For some reason it didn't dry up, but it also has a lot in it, so it tells me that, you know, if I haven't used it in that long of a time, I'm not that attached, and I use it every once in a while. I think it's because I remember that when I bought it, I'm pretty sure I was with my grandmother, who since then passed away, but it feels silly because, you know, I still have my memories with her. I don't need a nail polish to remember her, so I'm gonna use it till we move, and then I'm gonna get rid of it because the color of it, I don't know what I was thinking when I bought it. I was young. Again, this is really old. So this can definitely go before we move, but till then I'm gonna try to use it. I'm quite attached to all of these, so what we're gonna do. The one I'm not too attached to is this light blue one. I don't really have any colors like this, but it's like the bubblegum pink. I don't reach for something like this too often, so this I can use till we move and then get rid of it. These two are different enough that I'm happy to keep both. One of them is from Berry M, the other one is from Nails Ink, and they are quite different blues, so I'm happy to keep both of those. Same with these green ones. I'm happy to keep both of them because this is more of a minty green. This is slightly darker. Now with the minty one, is this still good enough to use though? Hold on. Yeah, it seems good enough, so I'm gonna keep both of these. And then when it comes to these, I'm definitely keeping my Essie one. This was a birthday present, like again 4 years ago. But this I really love. It's just quite dark, so you don't need a lot of it. And also literally in like 2 coats, this covers so much. This is Stylenomics, so I'm gonna definitely keep that. I'm struggling to find a room. Hold on. Okay, I changed things slightly. I have more room now. So I'm going to keep this one as well at the end. This is the Berry M Sunset Daylight Curry Nail Polish. But I love the color and it's slightly different from the other one. So that can stay. And I'm keeping these two as well because this is a bit of a lighter version of the Essie one. This is from P2. And then this one is this beautiful olivey, quite wimpy look. And this is from, it's called Essence Vampire's Love. This is super old as well, but for some reason it never dried up. I don't know why. It's from the times when Vampire Diaries and Twilight were both huge, but it's not dried up, so I'm keeping it. This, I mean, look at it. Let me zoom you in. Beautiful, look at that. So these are the nail polishes that I'm going to keep till we move and then I'm going to declutter them. It's 7 of them all together, which is not that much, but I'm happy with that. And then I also have a few bits here on the side that I'm going to throw away, so that's an additional 4. I'm keeping 23, I'm getting rid of 11, so to me that's quite good. And then with these stickers, I'm going to keep the 4 that's not open yet and then get rid of the rest because these get messy really quickly and I don't use them often enough. So what's the point? I can throw them away together with the brushes as well. And then let me show you what I'm keeping. Okay, so this is what we're keeping at the moment and I just decided for when we move I can take this out and obviously close it down. But otherwise I can just keep the nail polish remover in there and it keeps it all nice and tidy in one box. And it's not too overwhelming to look at least for me. But I used to be huge into nail polish when I was younger and then slowly again it turned over into makeup. And this to me is quite a nice curated collection and then, you know, if I bring one in I can get one out. But I have most of the shades in here that I feel like I use and need. And I still got rid of 11 at the end of the day, so I'm quite happy with that. Again, some of them I'm going to use till we move and then get rid of them. I feel like that's a good way for me to go about this. And that's it. Let me know what's your favorite color to wear on your nails. I think for me, I don't know, it depends on the season really. But let me know if you have a favorite color that you like to wear on your nails. And that's it guys, that was my nail polish collection. And let me know what you think. I know again, it was not the most ruthless of declutters, but that was not my point anyway. I just wanted to downsize and streamline, oh my goodness, my collection a bit more. So if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel. It would mean so much to me. I post videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, and I have the occasional, you know, miscellaneous Saturday videos as well, and my content is mostly focused around makeup. And I'm gonna shut up now. I have a tendency to rumble and hopefully I will see you in my next video. Bye bye!